Up guys, welcome to the episode of Jurassic World. No, it's not. Welcome to the episode of Dino Hunter Deadly Shores. And this is just an hour before I even did it. But I don't care. And you stop. No. I got more energy than I had already. Because I haven't even wait for anything. And stuff. Let's see. Oh! 6. So that was 1 hour. That's 1 hour ago. Another guy uploaded a video and stuff. Anyways, who cares about uploading videos? Actually, me, I do. I'm nervous. I'm nervous for this. Oh, he's very near. Shit! God damn it! This is not fair. Let's try again. I hate this game. I hate this game.
I know.
I don't want you to yell like a donkey like last time.
I will try again.
I'm just like, don't
No more failing. No more failing. I don't want to fail. No, I hate this guy.
Stop it.
Why don't you just increase the capacity?
It's so frustrating.